Good morning, guys. A couple more odd shaped cams, trying to get a figure of 8. Hi guys, 2 more cams to try out. Still trying to get a figure of 8. I did briefly try these at home and I got too much right turn on them this time, but we'll give them a try anyway. We're up on the car park. It's a damp, misty day, but it's not actually raining. So off we go. Okay, we're heading this way. We don't want to head this way, go that way. Determined to get under the car. Right. We're almost doing a figure of 8. We're certainly doing an S shape, left and right, but not enough time for it to go all the way around. I get the impression we won't be able to do a figure of 8. The drive wheel is sliding on the wet surface. Alright, we'll try the other cam. Right, now this one I'm pretty sure spends far too much time right turn. Got a car coming now. That'll have to do. So, still failing on the figure of 8. I don't actually think it's possible. Although, if we had more grip on the drive wheel, it might improve performance a bit, because we're losing some of the turn because that one's spinning. Have to think about that. Anyway, that'll do for today. We've given it another try. I've started putting letters on these just so I can remember which one's which. So this is K and L. So number 11 and number 12. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.